Hi, and welcome or welcome back. I hope you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not, I hope you do. It is simple. It is simply the red button that is right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's free. Nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. If you do want to get notified that I just uploaded a video, all you have to do is press the bell that is beside the subscribe button, and YouTube will send you an email telling you that it's a notification that I just posted a video. And it's as simple as that. All right, let's get started. If you are watching this video, I really hope that you will go back and check my previous videos that I did that show you my sneak peeks of what I'm going to be getting in my 3 Ipsy bags for the month of October. I do have another video up that shows you how to do the add-ons, as well as another video on reviews, and this video is going to be about the shopper. I wanted to do this video because I wanted to make sure that you understood that this is completely different than the add-ons. The shopper is something that happens every day on Ipsy, as long as you are part of the Ipsy family. And like I've mentioned in the past, it is the least expensive way, which is a $12 bag that gets you 5 samples every month that gets you into the Ipsy family. And then you have options to all these other great things that Ipsy offers. So I wanted to show this to you guys. So we are in the area that says shopper, and then it says Ipsy offers, and then it says it has new deals added every day at 9 a.m. And then we can shop all the Ipsy offers. So I'm going to click on this, which is to shop all of them. And it says this week only, limited quantities, it's free shipping. You save up to 70% off on all these Ipsy faves. You get new deals added every day at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So these are the offers that we have for this week. Some of them are already sold out, and I'm going to show you how you know that as well. So the first thing we look at is the first one that I got an email this morning about this offer. And you set up a profile on Ipsy where you give them your hair color, your eye color, your likes, your dislikes, your brands that you like, the brands that you don't have any interest in. And they're really good at following that, because ever since I joined Ipsy, I have really been happy with the colors that have been chosen for me, the products that have been chosen for me, and the products that I haven't been getting are usually products that I told them I did not want to get. So I really suggest you making sure that if you are part of Ipsy, to take the time to do the profile, because it does make a difference. Also, if you choose to review the products, I have a video on that, and it is important that you don't give a high review on an item that you didn't like, because they look at those reviews also to see if that's a product that they should give you in the future, something similar to it, or not give you based on your reviews. So the points are great because you get, you add up those points by doing the reviews. You'll end up being able to get free products sent to you, but it is really important to be honest in those reviews. The first item that got me interested to check out the offers this morning was this one from Betty Boop. It is their theme this month, and it is their collector's set. It's normally a $174 value that they're giving for $39.99. And if you want to know more about it, all you do is you click on the verbiage there. It brings you to another page, and on this page it will tell you more about the information of what's going to be in that package. So it says that this is made for you literally. It is 11 new favorites inspired by one of the only Betty Boops to add some glamour to our fall looks. And then they tell you what's in here. It says the eyeshadow palette will be in here. It's both cool and warm hues, 8 in total. It has a range of looks for everyday full glam. The Cheek to Cheek blush palette is in here. It's a peachy blush and highlighter trio that will work together. They have a matte lipstick in here, which is a cool toned red. They have a satin lipstick here in Mauve It Baby. They have a lip gloss in Hotsy Totsy, another lip gloss in All Jazzed Up. They have a mascara. They have an eyeliner. They have an eye brush, and they have a nail polish, which is unbelievable. So if none of these items were in your bag, or they weren't add-ons that were available to you, then this might be a great deal for you for $39.99. Like I said, it's 11 pieces, which is you know, less than $4 a piece. So it's better than an add-on if all of these have any interest to you. Also, just take note, I just finished showing all the add-ons and what was in my bag. I'm already getting a couple of these items in my bag, as well as a couple that I added on. So that is why I'm choosing not to purchase this. But with that said, if any of these items interest you, the eyeshadow palette alone for me was an option of a $12 add-on. The blush trio was an option for a $12 add-on. The lipsticks were $3. The lip glosses were $3. So if the bigger items were of an interest and you wanted those 2 items, that alone would have been $24. So you would get all these other products, you know, for a big, the amount difference is, it just makes sense to get it this way. So when they offer you these type of offers in the shopper, they're usually really great deals. The next item that they have on here is a Boss Babe set, which looks like it's elastics and a couple of the items that were also in the add-ons here, which is the Bomb Salute and things like that. But like I said, if you want to know more information, you simply click on the name and it'll bring you to the next page, which will tell you more about the product. But right on this page, you see exactly what you're going to be getting. There's no mysteries in this. The full price there is $53.77, and they're giving it to you for $14.50, including the shipping. Then they have a Microderm PMD tool for $79.50. That's normally $159.99. They have a Skin Prep Duo for normally $48 for $24. They have some nail polish kit here for $15. It looks like it's for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. This was what I came in for, and it was already sold out. So I was slow to this. I didn't receive an email, so I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get the email, but I should know better because at 9 a.m. every day, they do have the new items added. So it's a good habit to get into to check their website, you know, first thing in the morning. The next item is the Pearlie's Beauty Watermelon Trio. I've already received these items. This one I don't think is that great a deal because I had choices of these as add-ons for $3 each. So they're giving you this item, and a bag. That's what they're considering the trio, I think, but we can double check by going in, and that's $19.50. So let's just check what's in the set here, and it is, yeah, they're counting the cosmetic bag as the 3rd item. So I already have this, so I was lucky to get it as a $3 add-on. So that was a better deal for me. So always make sure, you know, what fits in your budget and what you want to do. But like I said, if it's something that interests you, take a look because these items do sell out. But like I said, there's always new options. So if you miss out on something, you know, today, there'll be hopefully something new there for you tomorrow. But they add on new deals sometimes every day, but definitely every week they add them on as well. So just wanted to share that with you guys. This is called the Shopper and is completely different than the add-ons. It ships separately, but like I said, you have to be very careful. Once you click on the button here, this plus sign, it will turn to a tick mark. If the item amount, excuse me, will show up down here, and it'll say if you bought something for $15, it will say $15. But once you click this button here, this pink button that says place your order, you cannot go back. It is, once you place it, you'll be charged immediately to your credit card that you have on file, and they ship it to the address that is on file, and it is a final sale. So as soon as you click that button, there's no going back. So make sure that's exactly what you put in there is what you want. And then the next thing you do is you wait for it to come in the mail to you. Like I said, it doesn't get shipped with your products like the add-ons do. This is a completely separate order that you'll be receiving. All right. Once again, thanks for joining me. Thanks for finding me. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. Once again, it is the red button that's right underneath the video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's free. Nobody writes to you. Nobody emails you. But if you do want to get notified that I did just post a video, all you do is press the bell and YouTube will send you an email notifying you that I have just posted a new video. All right, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.